Alright, so these are what the nails are looking like. So here are my old press-ons. So now we're getting ready to use some new press-ons that I got from Amazon, which is called Glamnetic nails. So this is another DIY nail video. Let me start off by saying that the glue that I used, honey, that glue is so strong. I struggled trying to get some of these tips off, but nevertheless, here are the Glamnetic nails. We're going to go ahead and put these on. I was a little skeptical about these nails, being that they look a little bit more plastic, and that's the type of nails that I don't like. Like Kiss has like that plastic flimsy type nails, where the ones that you saw that were silver, those are like the hard round tip nails. These were medium, in my opinion. These are a little bit longer, of course, than the other nails that I had on. So we're going to go ahead and see what we got in our little box here. So we got the wipes, we got a filer, we got something to push the cuticles back, we got the glue, we also have the nails here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything out so I can kind of like measure my nails and see which ones match and just go from there. But I like the way how these feel. I'm still currently wearing them, and it's been about 5 days and I haven't had any trouble with them at all, meaning that they haven't been falling off. Now, I'm not going to use this glue that they have in here in the kit. I prefer my own glue. You will see that a little bit later in the video. All right, so now I have all of my nails laid out in order by finger, and we're going to go ahead and start putting everything on. But first, I'm going to just go ahead and use the wipes to wipe down my nail bed. Now, just in case you're wondering, like, did I use my drill? Yes, I used it, but I used it off camera because I feel like y'all already saw that. And I know most people don't have a drill, so I just wanted to use the products that was in the box. If you have a dehydrator or a primer, you can use it. You don't have to skip out on it. All right, now the nails are clean. Let's go ahead and start applying these nails, honey. All right, we have our nail glue and strengthener that I got from Amazon. It is extra strength. You will see a little bit later how strong this glue is, but let's go ahead and apply the first application of the glue. And then we're going to go ahead and place the nail on top and cure it under my LED light. I like to cure my nails around about 30 to 60 seconds, but it's up to you on how long you want to cure it, or you can just press and hold for about 30 seconds and then you should be good to go. All right, so we're going to repeat the same steps. I just realized that I should do my left hand first and then do my right hand last, since I am right-handed. I did have a little trouble putting this nail on because it was so crooked. Look, I'm struggling trying to pull it off, but honey, it was so crooked. I had to redo that one. When that happens, just file again to get the shine off of your nail bed, and then use the wipe, and then go ahead and reapply the glue, and then apply your nail. Okay, so now my left hand is done, and we're going to go ahead and move on to the right side of my hand. All right, so I'm just giving you a little preview of what the nails are looking like and how, if I like them or not, or should I just take them off. But I decided to just go ahead and keep going. All right, so I did show you guys on camera, but this pinky nail here, it was so hard to remove the old nail that I had on here, and I ended up ripping some of my nail off. But honey, then I realized I put the nail on crooked and I can't even take it off. Like I'm literally struggling trying to take the nail off. Like it is on so crooked. It looks bad, but if you're not staring, you wouldn't really notice it. But I just want to share with you, you know, how my new nails look. I like the idea that everything is painted, and I don't know, I'm kind of liking the look. I'm feeling it and I like it. Let me know down in the comment section what you think about the nails, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Alright, so these are what the nails are looking like. So let's see how long these last, because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep these on for a long time, because these are like extremely long for my comfort. But we're going to see how long these last, and I will see you a little bit later. Thanks for watching.